How to take a snap. Wanna snap like a pro but don't know how? I got you. Here's how to take a snap. First, open the Snapchat. The second you open it, you are already on the camera. Point it at whatever you wanna snap. Like this, you can also use the back camera and just see the big circle right there. Tap it once for a photo and hold it down to record a video. Easy, right? Let me show you how. Okay, tap it once for a photo like this. As you can see, I just clicked a photo, a snap. Now let's say you wanna take a video. Just hold it down to record a video like this. As you can see, the video is just recorded. Easy, right? Now you can also add text stickers from here. Add it, make it look good. Now once you add it, you can just hit the send to button. From here you can post it to your story, or you can just send it to your friends from here. And that's it. You have just took your first step. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.